we need to change the gallery for this section. As you can see my cursor, we need to click on the manage media section, and then we need to replace these social media creators with our website images. For that we need to add the media, go to the complete site files of the website, and then scroll down to find our website images. So once we are able to reach on that area, we'll click that and click to add all pictures we need for this gallery section. And then we need to remove these files because we need to replace all these images. Once that is done, then we can click on OK button. Here we can see all related banners, and then we can remove all these files one by one. Click on done to see all these, and here it is done. As you can see, the websites